Hey guys, welcome back. In this routine, we'll be doing every minute on the minute, and we will start with one arm snatches. We'll be doing 14, that means 7 on each arm, 14 reverse lunges for the second minute, that is 7 again on each leg, 12 stiff-legged deadlifts, 12 crab dips, 10 hammer curls simultaneously, and then we're gonna end it with 10 dumbbell pullovers. All right. So we're gonna set the time. I'm gonna get the weights. Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a challenging routine. So you wanna start with a lighter weight in the beginning, but if you can handle it, I'm going to use 2 25-pound dumbbells for all the exercises. You at home, pick whatever you'd like, but as you do the routine in the future, try to add either reps or a little more weight. All right, so the first exercise is the one arm snatch. So we will be pulling that weight like a zipper, zipping up our sweater and overhead. 7 on each side.
2, 1.
Okay.
Work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Then now we're going to switch hands. 1, 2, 3. Bring that weight all the way up. 4, 5. Stare directly ahead. 6, 7. Okay. All right. Next, we're going to be doing reverse lunges. We're going to pick up both dumbbells. Okay. 7 on each leg. We'll just count up to a total of 14.
1. Work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, don't mind my counts. Okay. All right, good. You have some time to rest. Next, we're gonna do stiff-legged deadlifts. I'm gonna take the weight.
3, 2.
Keep the legs as straight as possible.
Work.
Push the butt back. 1. Keep the back extended. 2. Only go as low as you can go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want to push that weight over your toes. 12. Okay. Good. Got some time. Right, next is the crab dip. This is a great tricep exercise, and
2,
you can do it anywhere.
1.
Okay.
Work.
1, 2, 3. We're going for 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, good. Now this is your chance to end the routine with this much time to rest, where take a drink, breathe a little more, and relax and recover. Next exercise is going to be 10 hammer curls. We're going to do them simultaneously. Okay, 7 seconds, 5, 3,
3, 2, 1.
okay,
Work.
1, 2, 3. These are strict hammer curls. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great. Always remember, feel free to change the weights as you're able to your capability. Everything does not have to be using one pair of dumbbells. If you have other weights, a gallon of water, anything you want to use in replacement, feel free. Okay, now for the last exercise, we're going to do dumbbell pullovers. Now this is a great exercise. We're going to lay on the floor. I'm going to turn facing you or away from you so you can see it.
Work.
Okay. Bring it all the way out. Bring it over. Or you can hold it like this and bring it over. There you go. Bring it directly over your chest. Do not arch your back. Keep it as straight as possible. All right, so that was this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you repeat this 3 to 4 more rounds. Okay? Great. Thanks for joining me. This is Growing and Healthy, a channel where we explore self-improvement through movement.